Welcome. Number 7 is on the function, given that g of x is 2x plus 8. That of the f of x is x plus 2, and p of x is 7 minus x. We have to find the composite function, the g of p of x, p of f of x. All right, let's see. This is a composite function. We are going to pick the one in the bracket first. But first of all, let's rewrite this as an equation, as in g of x equals to 2x plus 8. Then f of x equals to x plus 2. Then p of x equals to 7 minus what? X. Now, if I'm having the g of p of f or of what? X, it means I can pick this as in picking p of f first, as in putting the function f inside the function what? P. Just like we are taking as a pregnancy, if this is pregnant with x, as we are seeing here, we are going to replace the x we are seeing here. This is what? P of f, which is going to be the whole of this will be substitute in place of what? X. Then we find the value and see. So let's pick the p of f, all of what? Of x. Meaning putting in the value of f inside the position of what? X for p, which is in this case. So I should be having, what is the p's value? P is 7 minus x. The pregnancy is on x. Now we are changing the x as an input with the input of f function. And the f function is x plus what? 2. This x is being replaced by this. Do we get that? So we are replacing the x, which is already here. We are changing it with what? The function f of x, which is going to be x plus 2. We can simplify this, having 7 minus x minus 5. I think that would be minus 2. Let's do it step by step. Then we are going to take the values of constants. So 7 minus 2 will give you 5. Then minus what? X. This is representing the p of f. Now p of f is now in a single term as our new input to be inputted into the g of x. So g of x is pregnant with x, having its value here. The x will be changed with the p of f. So here I can just say that g of p of f of x is going to be, so I put it here. Let's see. What is the function of g? G is having 2. Let me take it here. 2 times the x, which used to be the input. Now change with the input 5 minus x plus 8. I believe you get it. We are only changing the input of the functions. So we are changing the x as we have with the p of what? F function, which we can expand here to have 10 minus 2x plus 8, bringing the constant together. That will be 18 minus 2 what? X. Can we see any one of here? So we can see the C become the preferred choice. I guess concept is clear. If you want more of this, check the playlist on the function and relation. We'll delve into this in detail. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And come back for question 8.